Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make Gajra Scrunchie. I am intentionally avoiding to use white color. White color flowers around the scrunchie look as jasmine gajra, but now I want to try different colors. So using yellow for marigold look, and this can give a feel of aboli flowers or crossandra. For making scrunchies, we are going to need yarns in two colors, a rubber band, 3 mm crochet hook, pair of scissors and a darning needle. Make a moving knot and start making line of single crochet around the rubber band. Do as many as you can. I am not going to count it. I am just going to keep on adding line of single crochet. Once you are done with enough DCs around the rubber band or elastic that you are using, slip stitch into very first single crochet, chain 3 and do line of 2 double crochets on each single crochet. This will give a very nice flare to the scrunchie, and then adding flowers on it to make gajra will make a very voluminous gajra. Have you watched my very old video of making scrunchie? If not, please watch it, and I am sharing a link in the description. So line number 2 with green color is 2 DC on each SC. Third line in the scrunchie is about making flowers. Join the yarn on top of any of the DCs and chain 3, 4 DC in the same space. Open up a loop, go to the third chain from the hook and pull up loop, again chain 3 and slip stitch in the base of the same flower. Go to the next DC, slip stitch, again start with chain 3, 4 DC in the same space. Again pull up the loop little longer, go to the third chain, pull this loop, close the DCs, chain 3, slip stitch in the same base, slip stitch into next space. This is how I am going ahead, and see, because I have 2 DCs on each single crochet, the flare is coming and the gajra is becoming little thick and voluminous. I will meet you when I finish making flowers. This is how my scrunchie looks when finished. As I have done 2 DC on each single crochet around the elastic or the rubber band, it has got nice waves. It is giving thick look of almost 2 or 3 layers. I have done them in very many colors. You can do it as per your color choice, matching or contrasting to your dress, but this looks very good on hair and it completes your festive or stylish look. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.
Wrapped in a feeling cozy and true, a gift of warmth from hook to knot to you. Hook to knot. Hook to knot.
If you want more flair for your scrunchie, you can do 3 DC on each single crochet instead of 2. Sometimes I do 2 DC on one single crochet and 3 DC in the next. How much flair you want is completely up to you, and accordingly keep on adding the stitches.